Hello, everyone. I'm Lily, and welcome back to another English learning journey. Today, I will share you 12 powerful ways to improve your English skills, not just in grammar or vocabulary, but in speaking, listening, reading, and thinking in English like a native. Whether you're a beginner or someone who already understands English but wants to sound more confident, this video is for you. So stay with me till the end, take notes, and remember, practice makes progress. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos that make learning English fun and effective. Now let's begin. Reading is one of the most powerful tools to improve your English. Every time you read, whether it's a short story, news article, or even social media post, you expose yourself to new words and sentence patterns. Choose topics that interest you so you can enjoy the process. When you find new words, don't just skip them. Write them down, look up their meanings, and create your own example sentences. Try to read out loud to practice pronunciation and fluency. Reading for just 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Remember, reading isn't just about understanding. It's about training your brain to think in English. The more you read, the more natural your language becomes. Listening is how you train your ears to understand natural English. Watch YouTube videos, podcasts, movies, or even songs, but do it actively. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and connect sentences. Try to imitate their rhythm and tone. Subtitles can help in the beginning, but once you understand the basics, challenge yourself to listen without them. The key is consistency. Even 20 minutes of focused listening daily can change how your brain processes English sounds. Listen to different accents, American, British, Australian, so you become comfortable with all variations. When you listen actively, you not only understand better, but also speak more naturally. Many learners understand English, but hesitate to speak. The biggest enemy is fear of mistakes or being judged. But here's the truth. Mistakes are signs of progress. Every time you speak, you're training your brain and tongue to move faster. Find a speaking partner, join an online English group, or simply talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe what you're doing or share your thoughts aloud. Speaking daily, even for 10 minutes, builds confidence faster than studying grammar for hours. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start now. Perfection comes through practice, not silence. Thinking in English is the secret to fluency. When you translate every word from your native language, your brain slows down. Instead, start forming ideas directly in English. It might feel strange at first, but soon it becomes natural. Try small steps. When you see something, name it in English. That's a chair. I'm drinking water. It's a sunny day. Later. Think in full sentences. I need to finish my work. Or I'll call my friend soon. The goal is to make English part of your daily thoughts. Once you stop translating, your speaking becomes faster, smoother, and more natural. Movies are an excellent way to learn real-life English. You hear how people actually talk, using slang, expressions, and tone. Choose shows or movies with clear speech, like Friends or The Crown. Watch with English subtitles first, then without them. Try to repeat what characters say. This is called shadowing. It helps you copy pronunciation, emotion, and flow. Write down interesting expressions and use them in your own sentences later. Movies also teach cultural understanding, how people greet, joke, or react in real life. So next time you watch a film, remember, it's not just entertainment. It's your English classroom. Writing improves both grammar and creativity. Start with short paragraphs about your day or your feelings. Use a diary or digital notes. Don't worry about mistakes, just write freely. Later, read it again and correct your errors. You can also write comments on YouTube videos, English blogs, or social media posts. The more you write, the more you'll notice your weak points. Practice writing emails, stories, or short essays. Writing helps you remember new vocabulary and understand sentence structures better. Over time, you'll start speaking the way you write with clarity and confidence. Vocabulary is the heart of any language. But learning words is not enough. You must use them. When you learn a new word, make a sentence with it immediately. For example, if you learn improv, say, "I want to improve my English. Try to review old words regularly." Repetition helps memory. Flashcards or apps like Quizlet are great tools. Learn words in groups. For example, words about emotions, food, or travel. And never learn isolated words. Learn phrases. Instead of take a break. Take care or take a look. Using vocabulary in real situations makes it stick in your mind forever. Good pronunciation makes your English sound confident and clear. Start by listening carefully to native speakers. Notice how they stress words, pause, and link sounds together. Use online dictionaries with audio to hear correct pronunciations. Record yourself speaking, then listen and compare. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but it's one of the best ways to improve. Focus on clarity more than accent. You don't need a British or American accent to speak well, just be understandable. Practice tongue twisters and repeat difficult sounds like R or V over time. Your speech will sound smoother and more natural. Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from speaking. Learn grammar by seeing it in action, not by memorizing long rules. When you read or listen, pay attention to how sentences are structured. Notice how verbs change with time, past, present, and future. Try to use those forms in your own sentences. Practice by writing short dialogues or talking about your daily routine. Grammar should support your communication, not limit it. Remember, it's better to speak naturally with small mistakes than to stay silent trying to be perfect. Real fluency comes from using grammar in context. Immerse yourself in English every day. Change your phone settings to English. Follow English pages on social media. Listen to English music while you walk or exercise. Label items in your house: mirror, door, window. Make English part of your daily life so your brain stays in contact with it all the time. The more exposure you have, the faster your progress. Surrounding yourself with English doesn't mean studying all day. It means living with the language. Create an English world around you and your skills will grow naturally without stress. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You won't become fluent overnight, but with daily effort, you'll see progress. Set small, realistic goals, like learning 5 new words a day or watching one English video daily. Celebrate small wins because they build big success. There will be days you feel tired or unmotivated. That's normal. What matters is that you keep going. Even 15 minutes of practice every day is better than studying for hours once a week. Consistency creates results. Stay patient, stay positive, and trust the process. The best learners are those who enjoy learning. Don't see English as a subject, see it as a new way to connect with the world. Watch fun videos, sing English songs, play word games, or chat with people online. Every time you use English, you're growing. Don't compare your progress to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. What matters most is that you never stop. The more you enjoy it, the faster you'll improve. Remember, English is not just a language, it's a door to new opportunities, new people, and a brighter future.